Hi guys, welcome to SGY new classes. Today I will show you how to construct 90 degree if point is on the line. How to construct 90 degree if point is on the line. Let us begin. Draw a line with any measurement. Name them as A and B. From point A, we have to construct. From point A, with compass, keeping the tip of the compass at point A, draw an arc to construct 120 degree. You have to see the video how to construct 60 and 120 degree to understand how to construct this 120 angle. After constructing 120 degree from this arc, from Q, draw an arc from Q1, draw an arc. We get a point. Let's name this as C. Draw a line from C to A. We get an angle at A which is 90 degree. So we get 90 degree. Let us check it by protractor. And keeping the protractor, it is showing exactly 90 degree. This is the first method. The second method is from the point which is middle in the line. Draw a ray with any measurement. Let's name it as P and Q. Let us take any point on the line. Using compass, draw a semicircle. And construct 180 degree. We get 2 points. Let's name as T and S. The center point as O. From S, draw an arc. We get a point. From that point, let us name it as something like M. From point M, draw another arc. Name it as N. the 2 points N and M. From them, draw an arcs from both of the points. We get a point. Let us name it as R. From R, write a line straight to ZO. So we get angle ROQ as 90 degree. Let us check it by protractor. It is showing exactly 90 degree. Wow. Constructing 90 degree if point is outside the line. What to do if they give point outside the line? So if point is outside the line, how to construct? See the video. First, draw a line, segment or ray. You should take bigger one. Let us name the line as L. Let us take any point outside the line. Let us name it as A. From the point A, we have to cut the line L with using bigger arc. Opposite side of the line, opposite to the A, point A. By cutting the line with the point A, we get 2 points. Let's name it as B and C. From B and C, with the same measurement, draw an arc where point A lie and down opposite side of the point A. Same way from the point C. Let us name the new point as D. Join AD. From joining the line AD, we get 4 right angles. That is 4 right angles in the first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So AOB and AOC are 2, BOD and COD are 2. It is very important. You will get this question in the examinations. And now we are going to study how to construct 45 degree. For that, first we need to construct a right angle. How to construct 45 degree? We need right angle, which means it equal to 90 degree. I already constructed it. It is exactly 90 degree. By keeping the measurement of compass from A to the first intersection of the or taking the distance of compass as OQ, or the point where the perpendicular and the arc meets, to Q. Let us take that measurement. From Q, draw an arc and from the point where perpendicular and the bigger arc meets, from there also we have to draw an arc. That means we are bisecting the angle. I shown you how to construct 90 degree. So we get new point, let us name it as M1. So from O and M, draw a line. So we get OM1 as ray. So each is equal to 45 degree. So we get two equal angles, each 45 degree. Come, let us see how it came. The line OM1 is called as angle bisector. And another important point, it divides the angle into two equal parts. How we get two equal parts? There are two parts, so 90 degree is divided into 2, so we get 45 degree. Also 45 degree plus 45 degree, we get 90 degree. So we get 90 degree by adding the both of them. So this is called supplementary angles. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching my videos for more construction of angles.